Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another episode in bWAPP series. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So then, let's head over to Linux VM to start. First of all, we can log out and start from scratch. We can supply username and password to log in, and we can set the security level to low. And next, we need to choose the bug or choose the module what we are going to do in this video. Yes, cookies, HttpOnly. And we can click hack. As you know, cookies has one optional or actual attribute, which is HttpOnly. So what it means? This means, with this attribute or an actual attribute, that can be added to the cookie when application or server set the cookie. When this flag is present, browsers that support it, of course, a popular mainstream browser support this attribute, and this can keep the cookie out of JavaScript APIs, such as document.cookie. As you know, to attack XSS or cross-site script attack, usually we need to use this way to retrieve a cookie of victim. Okay, so what it means? Let me use this practical example to illustrate this concept. Let me go back to the browser. So now, for example, cookies. This is the cookies what we get from the server. Okay, and there are several key values pairs like security level and the top security. So now, the value is no, and below this line we can see there is hyperlink. We can click this one, and actually, this will launch or this will trigger JavaScript. Here, we can get this, key value pair, and this is so because now we can get this cookie top security without problem. Why? Because HttpOnly attribute is not present. Okay, and if you go back to go to the bbox and you check the source code. Yes, for the low security level, this is setcookie function, and the name, and also the value, and expire, and also the domain, and the flag HttpOnly. And if you scroll down, at the security level is 0 or low, the flag is false. Okay, and also I think we can go back to the Linux, and let me refresh this page, and you can, for example, like a response, or maybe we need to start from, we can use a private window, and let me use also you can also use Burp Suite to analyze request and response. So let me access bWAPP, the bWAPP. Okay, login, and the controller level is low, and we can select the module. Yes, this one, and the hack. So now, yes, this one, you can, the cookies and the request cookie response cookies. So no, HTTP only. Okay, right? So this is the cookies set by the application, and the response, yes, cookies response cookies. So now the value is no. So this is the reason why we can use the JavaScript to access cookies. Okay, so now we can elevate the level to medium and set. So now we can see the cookies. Now the top security is maybe has been changed, right? And also you can check, or not this one. So we can check response, the headers, the HTTP only is true. So now, we cannot access this cookie. Okay, let me click. As you know, as you can see over here. Now this time, JavaScript API failed to access this key, top security. Of course, the other cookie doesn't set the flag of HTTP only. So this is the reason why we still can access two other keys, PHPSESSID and the secret level. Okay, but the JavaScript, this one, JavaScript cannot access this key. Also, you can go to console. For example, you run the document.cookie, and we will not. The JavaScript will not access the top security, right? No top security. You get my idea. Then we can change the level to high and set. So this time, we can cookies. And so let me refresh so we can check the cookies. So also the top security, it has attribute HTTP only, and now the value has been set to true. So JavaScript as medium secret level, JavaScript cannot access this cookie. Okay, this key. As you know, the cookies has different parts or different key value pairs. Okay. Also similarly, we cannot, if you click this link, you see, very similar to medium secret level. Cannot access this cookie. I think the difference between high secret level and medium secret level is, the expire is different. You can go back to the bbox and check the time. This is the expire time, and this time is shorter. Okay, the life of the cookie even will even be shorter. Okay, but the behavior almost similar. Okay, but although with HTTP only a flag, JavaScript API cannot access the cookie which has already set HTTP only. But this will not prevent a browser from sending the cookie to the application, to the server. Okay, so with that being said, I use this practical example to illustrate HTTP only attribute of a cookie. Okay, so now let me go back to the host and say goodbye. Have you a good day. Okay, that's it.